The paper we want to discuss today is called BiomedGPT, a unified and generalist biomedical generative pre-trained transformer for vision, language, and multimodal tasks. This paper is published on 26th of May 2023. Let's begin. We know that recently the concept of multimodal representation learning has received a lot of attention. Now, the main problem that motivates the BiomedGPT work is the fact that, speaking of health data, you have a variety of different data modalities. You have images, you have text, you have all these different things, and the question is, can we come up with this generalist model that is able to handle data from these modalities in tasks that involve single or multiple modalities and perform accurately? As for methodology, BiomedGPT is working with a variety of modalities. Namely, they mentioned that they go over 5 distinct tasks, 20 public datasets, 15 unique biomedical modalities. At the core of their system, they rely on the architecture proposed in the OFA paper from Alibaba in 2022 PMLR, which provides this sequence-to-sequence learning framework focused on different tasks such as visual grounding, grounded captioning, etc., in order to pre-train the network. Now, of course, an important component is how to tokenize images, which the OFA work itself relied on this paper, BAIT from 2022 September from Microsoft Research. The point is that you take the image, you break it down into patches like this, and you tokenize them into visual tokens, and you use a BERT-like masked language modeling task in order to pre-train them. You can see the datasets and stats used for pre-training in here. They do sequence-to-sequence pre-training, as well as autoregressive inference improved via beam search with prefix trees. They also conduct a lot of experiments, and they showed that BiomedGPT, as shown here, achieves better than a state-of-the-art result in many of these cases. For qualitative evaluation, you could also see the figure 4 of the paper, which describes the comparison between PubMedClip and BiomedGPT in the task of visual question answering here. All in all, their experiments shows that OFA's performance as a good zero-shot model does not necessarily translate to a superior starting point for fine-tuning tasks, and they mentioned that the architectural changes that they have done and their multimodal multitask pre-training makes BiomedGPT able to overcome these difficulties to a great extent. And that is it. Thank you.